my favorite busy bees, I am bringing you such a fun and amazing lesson today. We are going to be doing a mad science experiment that is called exploding sticks. How fun does that sound? Okay, well today's lesson is about exploding sticks, but what the lesson itself focuses on, kinetic energy. Can you guys say that with me? Kinetic energy. Great job, guys. Well, the sticks that I am going to set up get their kinetic energy from the stored potential energy derived from bending the sticks under and on top of each other, creating what is called a cobra weave, which I had to look up on YouTube. So if you would like to do this experiment at home, you can look up how to do the exploding sticks experiment, and that will specifically teach you how to do the cobra weave. It is very important that we set up our sticks a specific way in order to create our kinetic energy. When we weave the sticks together, it causes tension to build. And once we build it up enough, we just pull our hand off and witness the rush of kinetic energy that's gonna make all of our sticks explode. Are you guys ready? Now it's gonna take a little bit while you watch me build it, and I am gonna build this on a little bit of a smaller scale so our video isn't mainly consumed by me building this super long thing. So let's get started. Other. And now I have to start building it back and forth. And I'm gonna go one on top of the other. One again. And now another one. And I'm gonna keep doing this till I make my way all the way down closer to you guys. Now, obviously, in order to do this experiment, you will need lots of popsicle sticks, but don't worry, if this is something that you really want to do, I have enough popsicle sticks that I can drop it off by anybody if they need it. That popsicle stick is broken, so can't use that one. I'm gonna pick up the same one. Silly Miss Jessica. Oh my goodness, I have been doing this experiment actually left and right with my own kids because they have just not been able to get enough of this experiment. And then we started diving so much into the lesson ourselves that my daughter actually created her own lesson of this, recorded it, and sent it to her friends from her class. That has how much this has kind of taken over for us, and we've just been having so much fun with it. Little waiting music while you guys are hanging out watching Miss Jessica build this science experiment so you guys get to see what happens when it's done. I am so excited for you guys to see this. Ever since Miss Jessica found this experiment in the first place, I have been dying to show you guys and share this with you because I just think it is so much fun. And I think that you guys are gonna think this is so awesome too. Moving right along, we are getting closer and closer, and we are now almost to the point where we are ready to see that rush of kinetic energy and watch this explode. We are moments away from seeing our exploding sticks. And hopefully we have built up enough tension in our sticks to create enough kinetic energy to really see this thing pop. Almost there. Just a few more so we can really watch this thing fly. Okay, boys and girls, I have made it to you, and as I move along, you're gonna see my long path that we just created here of our sticks. Now, Miss Jessica is holding her hand right down here, and I'm holding my hand on the last stick. The very last stick that I added in there is that last little lock that's holding all this tension that we have built up in our popsicle sticks. Are you guys ready to watch it go? All right, here we go. I am going to actually take this so I can turn it around for you. Okay, here is my hand holding that last stick, and now we are about to watch it go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, we had a little bit of a pile up. Don't worry, that kinetic energy is still there, and as soon as we take these piles off, it's gonna keep exploding. How cool was that? I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome lesson with me today, and I hope you guys are able to try this at home because it is a fun one. Bye.